Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to cut the avocado in the right way. So first to start is avocados are creamy, delicious and packed with nutrients. But let's be honest, cutting them can be tricky. Whether you're new to this superfood or just want to improve your technique, this step-by-step guide will show you how to safely and neatly cut an avocado without a mess. For the hand injury. Step 1. Choose a ripe avocado. Before you cut anything, make sure your avocado is ripe. Here's how to check. You gently press it. It should feel soft but not mushy. The stem at the top comes off easily and the color is dark green or nearly not ripe yet. Wrap it in newspaper and let it sit in a room temperature for. Want to speed it up? Store it next to a banana to trigger natural ripening. Step 2. Slice the avocado in half. Number 1. Use a sharp knife. Number 2. Cut the avocado lengthwise until your knife hits the pit. Number 3. Rotate the avocado around to make a full circle. Now twist both halves in opposite directions. The seed will usually stay in one half. Remove the pit safely. That's number 3. This one is very important because this is for your safety. And as we all know, safety comes first. Don't stab it with a knife. That's a common and dangerous mistake. Try this instead. Take a spoon and gently scoop the seed out. Or use an avocado tool with an in remover for safe, clean removal. Step number 4. Scoop or slice the flesh. You want the slice? Do you want to keep? Cut the lines into the flesh while it's inside the skin, lengthwise and widewise for cubes. Then scoop everything out with a spoon, or scoop out the whole avocado first, then slice it on a cutting board. Another pro tip for you: keep it from turning brown. Like I said, the color green, it means it's not ripe yet. If it's dark or it's black, it's definitely ripe. But if it's brown, then it's not. Avocados oxidize very quickly, that's why. And sprinkle a little lemon or thyme juice over the cut avocado to keep it fresh and green. So just take a piece of lemon and squeeze it over the avocado to keep it clean and to keep it fresh. Why does this matter? Because a promptly cut avocado looks beautiful. It's also great for toast and social media. The pictures we put out, the videos we put out, those are lovely pictures of avocado. You just want to taste it, and let me be honest, it's a great natural source of food. It minimizes total waste. It makes the whole process feel smoother and also clean. And let's be honest, cutting out avocado is like a pro, just hits different. If you know how to cut an avocado in just a minute or 2 minutes, you feel like a pro and you feel like you're on top of the world. So yeah, just try it. Do you want some more avocado goodness? At Avora Nature, we believe in the power of avocado for your body, your skin, and your lifestyle. From nourishing skincare to stylish merch, we have got you covered, literally. Because right now it's a summer, autumn is coming, and we have 30% off for the autumn collection. So visit avoraнаture.com, follow us on social media for more tips, avocado facts, and natural lifestyle inspiration. And remember, good habits start with how you cut your avocado. Stay natural,